Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this double snow together, so let's start. The hook size I used for the small one is 2.25 millimeter and for the bigger one is 3.5. First, we need to make a magic ring just like this. Then we put our hook into the ring, yarn over here, yarn over to one chain. Put our hook into the ring, yarn over here, yarn over go through two loops. Then we put our hook into the left part of the stitch, like this, yarn over here, then go through two loops. So this counts our very first double crochet. Just put a mark, then we do 2 chain. For the first round, the pattern is a double crochet and 2 chain repeated 6 times in total. So this is our first one. For the second one, we yarn over, put our hook into the ring, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. We do 2 chain and repeat it. Yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops, 2 chain here. And then we need to repeat the pattern of a double crochet and 2 chain 3 more times. After the last double crochet and 2 chain, we put this end to close the ring in the center. Then we take out the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. And we put our hook into the little hole in here. We put our hook in, yarn over here, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. For the second round, the pattern is for double crochet and 2 chain. We crochet the 4 double crochet in the hole in here, then 2 chain. We do 1 chain to start it. We put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then put our hook into the left part of that stitch, yarn over here, then go through 2 loops. This counts our very first double crochet, and we need to do 3 more in the same stitch. We yarn over, put our hook into the hole, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. Repeat it 2 more times. After the 4 double crochet, we do 2 chain. Then in our next big stitch, this one, this big one, we do 4 double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. Repeat it 4 times. After the 4 double crochet, we do 2 chain. In the next big stitch, we yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through first 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. Repeat it 3 more times in the same stitch. After the 4 double crochet, we do 2 chain. Then in the next big stitch, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. Repeat it 3 more times. After the 4 double crochet, 2 chain, and then 4 double crochet in the next big stitch. After the 4 double crochet, 2 chain, and then the last 4 double crochet, yarn over, put our hook in. We can put this little end on top of our hook to carry it, like this. Yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. Repeat it 3 more times. After the 4 double crochet, remember we need to do 2 chain. And then we take out the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. In here, we need to do our slip stitch to the big hole in here. We put our hook into the second stitch, yarn over here, then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then put our hook into the next stitch, slip stitch. Repeat doing it. Then put our hook into the big stitch, the whole area. Put our hook in, yarn over, then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. In here, we do 3 chain first. Then put our hook into the big stitch, yarn over here, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then it's a 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the 5 chain, we put our hook into the big stitch, yarn over here, then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then it's 7 chain. After the 7 chain, we put our hook into the big stitch, slip stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. After the 7 chain is a 5 chain. Then we put our hook into the big stitch, do a slip stitch. The very last part is 3 chain. After the 3 chain, we put our hook into the big stitch, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. So this is the one corner of the snowflake. Then we need to do slip stitch to the next big hole area. We put our hook into the closed stitch here, put our hook in, yarn over here, pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then we just keep doing slip stitch. I did 3 slip stitch to jump to the big hole area, and for the first one, I think I did 4 slip stitch to get in there. Then we do 3 chain, go back to the big stitch, do a slip stitch, put our hook in, yarn over, then pull our hook directly. A 5 chain, go back to do a slip stitch. Then a 7 chain, go back to do a slip stitch. Then a 5 chain, go back to do a slip stitch. 3 chain, go back to do a slip stitch. Then we need to do 3 slip stitch, 1 stitch, 1 slip stitch to move to the next big stitch. We put a hook into the next stitch, yarn over here, then pull a hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then the next one, then the big stitch. Then we just repeat the pattern, 3 chain, go back to do a slip stitch. 5 chain, go back to do a slip stitch. 7 chain to do a slip stitch. 5 chain, go back to do a slip stitch. The last one, 3 chain, go back to do a slip stitch. After this, 3 slip stitch, jump to the next big stitch. Then we just repeat doing the same thing till the end. After the very last corner, 3 chain, back to do a slip stitch. We do 1 chain and we snip off. So this is the smaller one. We need to size our hook up to do the bigger one. I used 3.5mm to do the second one. The pattern is the same, we just repeat it one more time. After we finish the second one, we just use a hot glue to glue all of them together and decorate a bit. So that's about today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye.